So today we are talking about facial proportions and how to draw a face. So we're going to start with a smaller piece of paper today. And the first thing that we need to do, of course, is put our name on the back and your class code. Okay, then I'm going to flip this over. And I've chosen my person. I know who I want to draw. The most important thing here is that we draw lightly until we get it right so that we can erase, okay? So we don't need to see anybody pressing down this hard because this is going to be hard to erase. We want to make sure that we draw really lightly, okay? So the first step is to draw an oval. If you are uncomfortable drawing an oval or you might need some help, I do have a couple of these where you can trace around it to get the right oval size shape for the face, or you can sketch it lightly like so. And it doesn't have to be perfect. We're all learning. We just try our best, and I go very lightly until I get the right shape that I want. Okay, and then after I get the shape that I want, then I can go back and make it a little bit darker. Okay, now we've got the face shape, got the head, but we also need our neck and our shoulders. So I'm going to go ahead and draw those. So I'm going to draw some lines straight down from the side of the head, and then I'm going to draw some lines that go out like this to the edge for the shoulders. Okay, all right, so now we are ready to start adding our details now that we've got our face shape, neck, and shoulders ready for our portrait. So I like to start by drawing very, very light lines that I can erase right down the middle of the forehead, a vertical line, or the middle of the face, and then a horizontal line right down the middle. So this makes sure that I keep everything the same on this side and this side, okay? This line right down the middle, that's going to be for our eyes. So I'm going to draw a curved line like a rainbow for the top of the eyes, right on this middle line, okay? And then I'm going to draw a curved line like a smile below that. So they look almost like football shapes, okay? And then I'm going to draw some circles in the middle for the middle of my eyes, and then some smaller circles in the middle of that for the pupil. Okay, then about halfway, like right here, is going to be our nose. So whenever I draw a nose, we're going to do like parentheses for the nostrils, so like a C shape and a backward C shape, and then I'm going to do a kind of like a wavy line almost for the nose, like that. Okay, so there's the nostrils and the tip of the nose. Then about halfway in between the nose and the chin is where I'm going to draw the mouth. And then if you wanted to add lips, of course, we could add lips. You could leave it like this if you want, but if you would like to add lips, I'm going to show you how I do that. So I start by doing like the letter U right here in the middle, like right where I've got this line here helping me draw, and then I'm going to draw a diagonal line coming down and a diagonal line coming down, okay? So there's a U, and then my lips there. And then a curved line for the bottom lip. Okay, now we're going to come back up to the eyes because we need to give them some attention. We need eyelids, so I'm just going to draw a curved line right above the lids, and eyebrows. So I'm going to draw a bigger curved line above those. Okay, ears on the side of my head, or the person's head. I'm not sure who this is. But so we got the ears there. And then for the hair. So about halfway up the forehead, okay, we're going to start drawing the hair. So hair is going to go up here on the oval that we drew. So if this is whatever kind of hairline that person has, we're going to draw that, bring it down. And I'm going to just draw my hair up here. Notice I kind of came off of the top of the head a little bit, and that's okay. And then bring my hair down. Your person might look very different from mine, and that's okay. You might have different ways of drawing the shapes of your face, and that's perfectly fine. The point is to just try your best and try to get those proportions in there. And then I'm going to add a circle, half a circle for the collar of the shirt. And then if you wanted to go back and if you wanted to add eyelashes or, you know, any other kind of details to the face, you could definitely take your time to do that. But today we're really going to focus on just trying to get the right proportions and get things where they should be and the size they should be on the face. So let's get started.